Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily place any emoji on your face in a video. So if you want to cover your face with an emoji in your videos, or maybe you just want to make your edits more fun with moving emojis, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily add an emoji that follows your face throughout the video using the Capcut feature. So what you need to do first is just open your videos in Capcut. Here I'm going to just find a video in a Capcut library with of course a clear visual of face on it. Okay, I'm going to just use this one for example. Now tap on add to bring it into the timeline. And now you need to choose the stickers or the emoji that you want to use. You can use the text tool, or you can also just go with the stickers and find any emoji stickers that you want to cover the face. So for example, I'm going to just use this one. Click on a check icon, and now you just need to resize and position it over your face like this. Don't forget to adjust the duration, so drag the edges like this. Okay, and now you can just click on the emoji. Now just swipe until you find the tracking options. Now select the object to track, so I'm going to choose or select the face in here like this. Now just tap on start tracking and let Capcut analyze the movement. So you just need to wait for the process to complete, and after it's done you can check if the emoji follows your face properly. So if you want to, you can also use GIF emojis for animated effects, and you can try multiple emojis for funny reactions. Okay, let's see the result first. And as you guys can see, the emoji is following the movement of the face. So now you're ready to create viral videos with emoji face tracking. Try it and share your result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!